As business grows, enterprises use various databases to store data assets. How to manage data security in a centralized manner, eliminate data silos, and quickly mine data values are some of the common issues to be resolved by enterprises. To resolve these issues, Alibaba Cloud provides the one-stop online data management platform, that is, data management. DMS is a one-stop data platform that is developed based on Alibaba Cloud best practices. The platform can seamlessly connect various data sources, such as online transaction processing, online analytical processing, and NoSQL databases, and support a whole process of data management, from data production to data mining. This helps enhance enterprise digitalization. DMS supports the centralized management of more than 30 data sources in the hybrid cloud, and provides comprehensive management capabilities for data operations and analysis throughout the life cycle, including data asset management, database development and design, data transmission and processing, data security, and R&D collaboration. DMS is developed based on the best practices of internal R&D specifications of Alibaba Cloud, and can effectively ensure the security and stability of each data change during data production. This balances the R&D efficiency and data security, and improves risk governance capabilities from the root. Database disaster recovery is the key to business continuity. DMS supports disaster recovery and active geo-redundancy for 15 types of databases. DMS can rapidly restore business upon a failure in a database or data center, and allows users to access nearby resources with ease. The first step to enterprise digitalization lies in the data interconnection and integration across the network. DMS can centralize the distributed data of enterprises to data warehouses or data lakes in real time, and distribute the computing results. On the basis of the interconnected one-stop platform of DMS, the data consistency or latency issues that arise due to data source changes are resolved. As data volume increases, the demands on online data archiving and analysis increase. DMS allows users to perform simple task configurations to periodically archive or clean up data. DMS can seamlessly connect to databases, data warehouses, and data lakes for online and offline computing. This effectively ensures the consistency and timeliness of computing results. A wide range of more features are available in DMS. You are welcome to join DMS and experience the data intelligence.